Your Excellency, Honorable Dan Abu Dhabi, my old uncle, the Awamafia of the Anglo-Dugo Council, Dog is really deterred. I will stand on existing protocols and extend my facilitation and warm greetings to the good people of where I have started school. And I am extremely honored that after several years, Tsiame is now hosting the launch of Hogbetsotso Akpanami. Reflecting on the theme for the celebration that will take place today and in November, collectively we agree that we have to strengthen bonds and embrace our shared heritage. Nego blombe ajebe ekado doare na nomia domi albe kado duma na webe de konu yo ke mia fofo mia mama o mia jilao o bredi na mia nya tenwi alawo de aten be amesi o ke minya ne ko nu wona o aje fiato aje gato sikede adenye be mi de sukua ye pone be mo yo kama de sukua ka o de mo na ne kenyamo to pe de manchia nyafe de konu nyafe mi yo ke mi eduna nyafe values nyate fetutu character ado here ne people ne be mi yisuku aka fia be numu aje mi akwa dare de kwade. But I'm happy that Anglos continue to hold their values. The people of Anglo continue to hold their tradition. The people of Anglo continue to respect and show concern for their culture. This event should signify the beginning of our collective responsibility to protect our environment. This is what God has given us. We cannot move from here to any other place. We have the responsibility to protect it. I came a last time I was there, I knew the Tsiame Kobe Nyako to Yakata. But not opinion bien, but can you be Ojon and the Made? Get Doka Dona Kega Lafia, Chikabe, Amo, Hafi Chochomoko, Odokuji Pomeha. I knew Yakatape, Dodashibe, Miale Bene, Nyape environment. And Keta Lagoon Ramsar site is the largest Ramsar site or lagoon in Ghana. In 1988, the government of Ghana put it under the International Convention on Ramsar sites. Leyade be amroto nakovide so Keta Lagoon Ramsar site ago. Leyade be nyama yoke nya amrotu come view to come to miawo deka akonyafe anu yahiao akodo de jirudugo be Keta Lagoon Ramsar site, which is home to several species, belong to us. We need a fair share of the national cake. We need to have jobs. We need to create jobs for our young people. We cannot downplay on education. Alabena koko ni ba mele miashu agbala sosro enye nu ike mia togbio kra mia mama ogbere na mi even though o ma desuku hafi ma ko nye pegbe avajania mejibe maglobe nye fe do fe ele klalo be pepede hu de sia de sike amlo du go cancel abia so miagbo ne miawo akopede miade amlo du go cancel nchia miele klalo be bia na pepede hu ma nyeje de gomo ho Your Excellency Honorable Dana Bodagui, you have been very, very phenomenal. Tsiame, we are very grateful. We will commit all our efforts to ensure that the Amrodugo Council benefit from the resources that God gave to us. Akbenami.